So we got the package again from TEMU. So go get your app. This one is 10 items and then I only paid for $29. We'll check this out. If you're interested in this one, go check this out. Follow us and download Temu app. This is not sponsored at all cost, but it's kind of like wish.com type of thing. So I'm excited. The only thing here, as you can see, it's already like the packaging is not as great as you would think, but there's 10 items on this one. So we're going to open it up right now. So bear with me because I'm one-handed on this one. Probably will tear it apart from the side. So this one, there's a really good items on this. As you can see, we already have a cubby. So this one, look at that. It's a really cute cubby that you can put your things in there. This is called, what is this one called? This one is, some of this one is free office worker drawer. So yeah, and I think, oh, is it like this? Oh yeah, sorry, it's like that. So that you do have, you can put some stuff in it and then there's a drawer. The second item that we have is, ta-da! This one is a selfie stick rod. So this one, the only thing with this one is the boxes are beat up. But hey, you cannot go wrong with that, right? So this one, we're going to use this one right now. It's a selfie stick. Ta-da! Oh wow, cool. And it opens up on this one. So we'll use it up right now so that we can show you how it is. So here we go. We're using the selfie stick. So the selfie stick, it does have a remote control, stainless steel, a tripod, and then it goes on, it lengthens to 103 centimeters. It's 240 degrees rotating and 360 rotating sideways. And then we got a microphone. So we'll check this out. Look at that. So cool. Out of the 10 items, it says there that 7 items would be free. So I took advantage of that. So we'll see if this is gonna work right now. Let's see if we're going to use all this already. So this is a microphone. I'm going to add the so I added the microphone already, but apparently it didn't work out because I gotta turn it on. But anyways, I'm doing a voiceover right now, but this is so cool. So this is the microphone that I have, and this one is, this microphone is originally $20.99, but now I bought it for $6.98. It's on sale right now. And then this cute stickers, there's 100 animal stickers on this one. It is originally $5.99, but it's on sale now for you guys for $1.32 for 100 animal stickers. There's a peacock, there's elephants, so it is really good for the kids. Oh, this one is exciting. Let's check this out. This is a desktop vacuum cleaner. It's originally $12.99, but it's on sale at $7.48 right now. And then there's the attachments of this one. Let's see how powerful is this, because I really wanted to have a desktop vacuum anyways. Let's see, let's turn this on. It's not as great. It's not as suctioning great, but it's okay. This is my least favorite so far right now. And then, well, I'm going to put this one on the side. And then this is really exciting because it's really cheap. At the same time, it's working. It's working out all the pieces so far. And then Sophia's next to me right now. She's kind of like curious what's going on, what's happening. This one is my favorite one. I'm excited on this one. This is the 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner, portable, mini. And then this is for home and car. This one is originally at $29.99, but then it's on sale right now at $19.48. Let's see how it looks like. And then my concern on this one, if this one will suction good, so we'll test this out. And then oh my gosh, this is so nice and so cool. This here's the attachment, and then let's see how it is. Okay, there you go, it's working. Let's turn this on. Oh, it's really suctioning strong, so I like this. I'm going to really clean the car because we really need it, because at this point in time the car is a mess. So we'll see how is that gonna be. And then this one is the multi-cleaning pen. This multi-cleaning pen is only $4.97, but it's on sale for $1.48. So there's a long brush on this side, and then there's the sharp edge on this one that it can really clean your junky AirPods. And then there's that, and then there's cute little brush on this side that you can really clean up your dirty AirPods. And then there's this brush too that it will clean it up. So this is a really nice addition to your growing techie collection type of thing. So yeah, and let's see what's gonna be next. Oh, this one, what is this one? I forgot what this one is. I think this is the LED strip light. So let's see what's gonna be. This one is a multi-colored LED strip lights at $10.49, but it's on sale now at $4.48. I don't know why I bought this one. It has a remote control on it. I don't know where I'm going to put this one, but hey, I have this one now. So we'll see how are we gonna do this. Oh, this is the one that exciting I'm excited about too. Lenovo. I don't know if this is the real Lenovo, but we'll see what's gonna happen on this one because it's really exciting. Let's check this out. This one is $32.99, but it's on sale now at $9.48. Oh my gosh, $9.48. Let's see how this one is. It's kind of like an AirPod, but then Lenovo. I don't know if this is a real Lenovo or a fake ass Lenovo, but hey, it looks nice. So let's see how it works. But it's nice. Oh baby, you will love this one. Anyway, he has his AirPods anyway, so I have mine now. So this one, oh, there's another one of multi-cleaning pen. So I guess I bought two of this one, and then one for me and one for Sebastian. And then I think this is the last one. This one is the Lost House. This one is kind of like a building blocks of small Legos type of thing. This is the Kimono House, I think. This kind of like Legos, but it's called LOZ, Laws. This one, I bought this one for this one is $14.99 originally, and then you can buy this one at $8.92. But then if you're going to be able to get the $10 for X amount of price that you're going to pay, there's 7 things that's going to be free. So go try it and check it out if that one's gonna work out for you guys too, because that's really exciting. We got 10 items and we only paid about $29 on this one. So it is really nice. I'm excited about that. And then this one, how it looks like. So I'm going to have a big project on this. So here you go. This is what we got. What do you think? Did I do good with the savings? This is worth $100 technically, according to their original prices, but we saved a lot, tons. So I'm going to check every single one of this one, and then I will let you know which one is working, which one is not working. But so far so good. So yeah, so we got 10 items on this. And then the one that I'm excited about is the AirPods and then the microphone. So far, this the one that I'm using for the selfie stick is really nice. I really like this one. And then it's sturdy and it has a remote control. I didn't show it to you guys, but so yeah. So don't forget Temu. This is not an endorsement. I'm not paid to do this, but then I kind of like it's an exciting thing to do anyways. And wherever the savings is at, we're gonna go for that anyways. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again next time. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel for more savings and more cool stuff with Temu. Oh my gosh, this channel is going to be like Temu unboxings all over again. Anyways, I'm excited about to use this Lenovo and then the vacuum. So we will use all this. Anyways, I'm rambling already. We'll see you again in the next video. Happy Valentine's Day. We love you all. We'll see you again. Until next time. Bye.